Okay, good morning. We're doing round 10. Okay, so round 10, we're going to start by working one chain in the center of a three double crochet point here. So we'll find that. Here we go. Okay. Then that does not count as our first double crochet, so then we're going to double crochet in the same stitch. Now the instructions on this one, with your stitch markers, I would definitely follow, especially if you're not used to counting your stitches yet, because it does say to place a stitch marker in this stitch, and you'll see why in a moment. Okay, from here we're going to make one double crochet in the next 10 stitches. So super easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going to skip 2. This is 1, that's 2. We're going to start in this one again, and we're going to do another 10 double crochets all the way to the top. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now the instructions say to place one double crochet into the next stitch, which seems kind of lame, but it's really for point of reference that they separated out, because this stitch should be in the third cluster of double crochets you made at the point, exactly like how we started. And that is exactly how I am, so I know I've done it correctly. And again, we're going to place a stitch marker in this one. There you go. Now the reason it's probably important to do the stitch markers is so you know where you're going to start your next round, and also where you're going to end your next round, because everything in this entire row is double crochets. It could be hard to figure out where to start or such. So, you know, if you had the 3 here, that's easy to count from the 3. You go 10, but you don't, you only have 1. So I don't necessarily need them or use them, but I usually do the first one and the second one, and then I don't do the rest, and that way when I start, I have a good point of reference, and I make sure that I'm not missing stitches, and then I'll go on to the next one. So see you at the next round. Oh, and hey, look, I painted my nails. Not that I really like them, but I did.